How to mute the original audio of the video you're editing and then add a song to play it as a background. This is a simple editing trick or tips and trick with CapCut Video Editor app, and let's get started. So you have your video here, and let's say you play your video, you have someone talking or noise in the background, and you want to make this video completely silent. So the fastest way is by tapping on this mute icon here. When you tap on it, you'll notice the little X here, and it's going to tell you the sound is off. So now that I play my video here, you're not going to hear anything playing, okay? Now, in order to add a song to play in the background here, you can tap on where it says add audio, or go to the audio section here, and you'll see sounds right here. From here on, this is going to show up like this for you here. You can choose some of the songs here or perhaps one of these singers here, but please keep in mind that some of these are most likely going to give you a copyright. So yeah, think twice. But if you have a song piece that you want to add and you know it's not copyrighted and you want to get that from your device itself here, you can go here and then go to from device, and it's going to pull up all the songs you have on your phone itself. So maybe let's just say I want to go with one of these here. At the time of this video, it's Christmas time here, and you have all these different songs here. I'm going to lower the volume so that it won't actually play while I'm editing this video here or recording this video and get a copyright. But when you're ready to add this song piece here, you'll go ahead and select the one you want by tapping here, and it's going to show you this here. It's going to let you hear it, and then you'll press the plus here. Now the audio piece is going to be inserted down here, and when you play it, you'll hear the song playing in the background, okay? If you tap on the song section here a second time, you'll notice these set of tools will appear. You can choose to have the song start in as a fade in and also fade out at the end of your video, and you'll have to make that adjustment. And if it's too loud for a background, you can tap here and lower the volume, okay? And you also have the audio effects, which will change the sound of the person who's singing if you were into that here. You got all the different types here. The free ones are there available, the voice characters as well, and it'll make the person who's singing the song sound different, okay? Also, if you want to remove a piece of the song, let's just say I want the song to stop playing at this part of the video here. Make sure the white bar is on the timeline section as where you want to split it. Make sure it's selected. You'll see the split option, and then you'll tap on this piece here. Make sure it's highlighted and then delete it. So then you'll only have this amount, okay? And that's how you can work yourself with the song and the video. Like and sub.